Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Diana and I'm gonna show you how to distress a t-shirt. Now I already have my t-shirt, it's right here. You need a pair of scissors, you need a seam reaper, and you need sandpaper. I went ahead and I bought myself this 3M edge detailing sponge, and I bought this at Lowe's. It was like under $5. And I also bought myself this one. It's 3AM all-purpose. You could use these either wet or dry. This one was around $6. So let me just take them out of their package. So this is what the sponges look like. Now I might not use the scissors, but I did bring them out just in case, so I'm just going to put them off to the side. So let me just take the shirt out. This is a shirt that I got from an event. So I decided that maybe it would look really cool if I distressed it. You know, I wear a lot of clothing with holes in it, especially my pants. I don't think I have one pair of pants with no holes in them. So what you want to do is lay the shirt flat out onto a flat surface. I'm using my coffee table. And then you just want to decide where you want the holes. You can have them here. You can pretty much put them anywhere you want. But today we're going to start with the neckline. So I'm just going to fold the shirt over again. I'm going to get my seam ripper. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to poke a hole right here in the middle. And then I'm just going to grab the shirt like this. And then get my seam reaper and then just rip it like that. And you can do this as far as you want or just a little bit. I think I'm going to go all around. And see what it looks like so far? You can grab any old t-shirt or just buy like a regular solid print t-shirt at, you know, at Forever 21. They're always like less than $5. You can go to Goodwill and buy an old t-shirt and just, you know, make it new again. So for this part right here, I'm not going to cut through it. I'm just going to poke another hole right here and then start on this side. Okay, so the neckline is done. So let me just lay it out and see what it looks like. You see? So now I want to decide like where I want the holes. So I think what I want to do is distress this top part right here and then this side too, and maybe distress, I don't think I'm going to distress this part. So I'm going to get this sponge, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go like this. And then you just wait till it gets a hole. See how it's already, there's a hole right here? You see that? So this is with this one. So let's try this one now and see what kind of effect I can get. So let's try the other side. There you go. See? And you could also buy different types of sandpaper. The sandpaper that I found that works best is the one that has, it's more coarse and it's thicker. So that's your best bet. So see, a distressed shirt. We just turned it into a $50 shirt. So let's distress the bottom too a little bit. I'm gonna start on, let's see what side. Start on this side. So again, you're gonna get your seam ripper. You can get these at Joann's, Michael's. Joann's and Michael's always has coupons, so you wanna check out their website for a coupon and you can save a few bucks. For this one, on the bottom part, I'm not gonna go all the way around, I'm just gonna add a little bit. Maybe go around the other side too. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, the whole point of having distressed clothing is, you know, you want to make it look like it's been, like that's the way it's been worn, like over a long period of time. You want to make it look like it got there naturally. Okay, I think that's enough. So, now let's distress the bottom part too. I'm going to use this sponge, and I think I'm just going to go across and see what effect we get. So these work pretty good, not as good as I was hoping, but I think for next time I distress a shirt, I'm gonna use one with much thicker sand. I mean, that would work faster. But I mean, it still does the job. I mean, we got a few holes in there, as you can see right here. Let me try the other one. What you could also do too is get the seam ripper and then poke a hole. See? And then you could tug at the fabric. See? I just made the hole bigger. Maybe sand it down a little. That works too. So I created these two holes just now. You want to make them bigger. And then just go over it with the sandpaper. So I made a few holes. Can also do something, can also, I've seen some people also like take this part off too, which would be cool. But that is my distressed t-shirt. You can do this with jeans, t-shirts, pretty much anything that you want to distress. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a comment. Let me know if you guys liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.